U.S. Senator Amy Klobuchar was in Bemidji yesterday to take an updated look on ongoing recovery efforts from the windstorm that struck the area last summer and visit a major burn site focused on fire mitigation.
So this Conservation Corps, which is part of AmeriCorps, is out here right now doing these burns of these piles of trees that they need to get rid of, or it's a risk for fire.
So the burning is a large part of that. These piles posed a pretty big risk. Less of a risk once we get them in piles and get them burned down. We can rid that material in a safer way.
The burn site is located near the Northwestern Minnesota Juvenile Center and has 6 burn piles. More than 40 Conservation Corps volunteers have been in the area working on continued cleanup and ridding the Bemidji area of dead trees that would otherwise become wildfire fuel.
We co-lead a long-term storm recovery group, and one of the many conversations had in that group is around wildfire mitigation, knowing our fire chief is sharing it's not if we have wildfires, it's when.
If a fire were to come through, building areas to kind of build fire breaks so that these fires will stop short of property and infrastructure.
Despite recent snow bringing more moisture to the area, there are still significant burning risks, especially for untrained people. The Conservation Corps warns the public of the danger of burning their own debris, and the bigger the tree, the longer it will remain hot.
There's stuff up to 20, 30 inches in diameter, and once that starts burning, it can burn for multiple days. Once that heat is on the ground, some of these logs and stumps and stuff are still partially underground, and it'll burn down into the ground. And once it's in the ground, it just needs the slightest bit of oxygen to continue burning.
Senator Klobuchar was not only in the area to see fire mitigation efforts in person, but also to inform local leaders about what the next steps from state and federal government are for long-term recovery.
Some of this is getting the immediate money under the existing formula, which is 75% of public infrastructure. But then it's looking at, can there be more, and I know the legislators are working on that.
This round of burning and continued saw cleanup from the Conservation Corps is set to continue through the weekend, and volunteers will leave the area on Tuesday.
Lakeland News is a nonprofit news organization. Donate to Lakeland PBS today to support your local news team.